Good morning, all. Welcome to my class. Myself, Dr. Sylvie Matthew, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Vimala College, Thrissur. Today, I would like to take a class on plant family Poaceae. It is a monocot family. We can see the diagnostic characters and the common plants present in the family Poaceae. The systematic position of the family as follows: class Monocotyledon, series Glumaceae. The diagnostic characters are as follows: mostly annual herbs with fistular stem, leaves disticus with sheathing bases and ligule. Inflorescence unit is a spikelet. You can see here the structure of the leaf. Leaf blade is there, leaf sheath is this one. These are the spikelets. You can see here the ligule is present in the axis of the leaf. This is the stem. This is the sheath that is surrounding the stem. Perianth is reduced to lodicules or even absent. Anthers are versatile. Stigmas are feathery. Fruit is caryopsis. This is the fruit of the plant family Poaceae. That is also known as grass family. The fruit is a caryopsis. Then coming to the common plants of the family. First plant, that is Allotropis simicina. This is the habit of the plant. These are the spikelets of the plant. Next one, that is Bambusa bambus. Very common plant. This Bambusa bambus, widely used as an economically important plant. The next plant, that is Coix lacrima jobi. This is the habit of the plant. These are the fruits. Next is Eleusine coracana. You can see here the habit and the inflorescence and the seeds. Oryza sativa, very common plant. All of you know that this plant, paddy. This is the habit. These are the spikelets. Next is the Pennisetum polystachyon, very common grass plant. This is the habit of the plant. These are the view of the inflorescence. The next plant, that is Rhodboilia exaltata. This is the plant, habit and the inflorescence. Then Saccharum officinae, very common plant. Saccharum officinae. Coming to the diagnostic characters of the plant family. This is the largest family, most widely distributed family, and it includes 668 genera and 9,500 species. It is cosmopolitan in distribution. Coming to the habit of the family, annuals are present, example Oryza sativa. Perennials are present, Saccharum officinae. Herbs also present in this family. And large sized Saccharum and Dendrocalamus is also present in this family. This is the Dendrocalamus. The roots are fibrous roots with the rhizomes. Stem of the grasses are known as clum. Clum hollow in Bambusa and solid in Saccharum officinae. The stem is erect, prostrate and creeping in this family. That is with the nodes and internodes. Some grasses that produce runners and suckers also. Coming to the structure of the leaves. Leaves are simple, alternate, exstipulate, disticus, ligulate. The ligule is represented by sheathing leaf base, and that is absent in Echinocloa, that is known as jungle rice. This is the plant Echinocloa. The leaves possess sheathing leaf base and parallel venation. The features of the inflorescence as follows: spikelets arranged in racemes, panicles and spikes. Bisexual male or female flowers are present in this family. Each spikelet that with the minute axis, that axis is known as rachilla. That rachilla on which bracts or blooms are arranged in two vertical rows. The lowest two blooms are sterile, nothing in their axils. Upper ones are fertile and ends in a flower. Fertile bract ends in a flower that is known as lemma. The flower is enclosed by another structure that is called as palea or bracteole. Thus the lemma below and palea upper sides. This is the habit of the grass family. This is the LS of the flower. You can see here the palea, stamen, stigma, lemma, ovary, then lodicules. These are the enlarged view of the stamens. Flower after removing the lemma and palea, we can see here lodicule and gynoecium. This is the floral diagram of the family Poaceae. Its family contains the zygomorphic, bisexual, perianth, or that lodicules are present. Then anther is present, 3+3 condition. Gynoecium present, that is 1 in number. That's also have superior ovary. Then flower, small flowers are present, bracteates, bracteolate with the lemma and palea. Sessile flowers usually bisexual, rarely unisexual, hypogynous and zygomorphic. Perianth, that is absent or represented by membranous scales called lodicules. Lodicules are situated above and opposite to palea. 2 lodicules, 2 perianth that is present in Oryza, 3 in Bambusa and absent in Anthoxanthum. This is Anthoxanthum plant. Then coming to the Androecium. Stamens are 3, usually arranged in outer wall. Stamen 6 in 2 whorls of 3 in Bambusa and Oryza. Stamens are numerous in Periana. Anthers are dithecous, versatile and in rose nature and open in longitudinal slits. The female part, that is the gynoecium. Gynoecium bi or tricarpellary, syncarpous, monocarpellary and superior unilocular with a single ovule on basal placenta. Styles are usually 2 but 3 in Bambusa. Stigmas are 2 and feathery. The fruit of the plant family, that is a Caryopsis, that is action in which fruit whole is completely fused with the seed coat. Nut in Dendrocalamus, berry in Bambusa, utricle in Eleusine. The seeds are endospermic. You can see here the Periana plant, that this is the inflorescence. You can see here the anther structure, that is versatile anther, that can swing to both sides. This is the arrangement of the versatile anther. Then the advanced characters of the family. Herbaceous plants are present, annual or perennial habit, extrapolate leaves with sheathing leaf bases and ligule. Flowers are arranged in distinct inflorescence called spikelet. Highly reduced, inconspicuous and zygomorphic flowers are present. Perianth is represented by lodicules. Reduction in the number of stamens to 3. Monocarpellary and unilocular ovary with a single ovule on basal placenta. Fruit is a Caryopsis. The economic importance of the family as follows. Mainly used for food. Mostly food plants called cereals. Basic food for human population. Example wheat, that is Triticum aestivum. Rice, Oryza sativa. Maize, sea maize. Bajra, Pennisetum typhoidus. Jowar, Sorghum vulgare. Barley, Hordeum vulgare. Oats, Avena sativa. Ragi, Eleusine coarcana. Rye, Sickle cereal. Saccharum officinal, sugarcane that yield sugar. You can see here the sea maize, Triticum aestivum, Bajra, Pennisetum typhoidus, Jowar, Sorghum vulgare, Barley, Hordeum vulgare, Oats, Avena sativa, then rye, Sickle cereal, Ragi, Eleusine coarcana. Coming another economical importance, that is it is used for making the paper. Bambusa and Dendrocalamus produce paper pulp. The medicinal uses of the plant family as follows. Roots of Vetiveria sisanoides that produce pleasant scent. Cymbopogon citratus, that is lemongrass, that produce valuable perfumery oils. Andropogon odonatus, that is known as ginger grass. This is the habit of the Vetiveria sisanoides. This is the lemongrass, that is known as Symbopogon citratus. This is Andropogon odonatus. Then ornamental plants are also present in this family. First one, Festuca, that is Fescua grass. Then Cynodon, Bermuda grass. Then Agrostis, Florin grass. And Poya, meadow grass. Thank you all. Thank you so much.